In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own second brain in Notion using a template. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you understand exactly how to create a comprehensive organization system in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Notion account. If you aren't already familiar with Notion, it's a robust tool that helps organize your work and notes efficiently. So go ahead and open up your Notion app or website and enter your account details to access your workspace. Once you're logged in, you're ready to create a new page. Navigate to the left sidebar in Notion, where you'll find the option to add a new page. Click on this, and we'll begin setting up your second brain. After you've created your blank page, it's time to give it a name that'll serve as a central hub for organization. Let's call it Second Brain Dashboard. This will be your go-to page for accessing everything you'll need to stay organized. Within your Second Brain Dashboard, you'll want to create links or subpages that correspond to your core areas of focus. Think about the different segments of your life or work that you'd like to manage. This could include areas such as projects, personal growth, or professional development. Setting up these core areas as subpages helps in compartmentalizing everything, making it much easier to access and manage. An important aspect of a second brain is being able to capture ideas quickly. To achieve this, let's create a dedicated page or database specifically for idea capture within your dashboard. This page acts as a digital inbox for thoughts and inspirations you might come across daily, easy to jot down and retrieve later when needed. Organizing your second brain is crucial for optimal functionality. Consider using a system like PARA, which stands for Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archives. Sorting your content into these categories will make navigation and retrieval more intuitive and stress-free. Next, to manage your tasks and projects effectively, add a calendar view to your dashboard. This feature will enable you to track deadlines, milestones, and schedules all in one place. Having a calendar in your second brain not only helps in planning, but also provides a visual timeline for upcoming tasks and projects, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to set up your second brain in Notion. Each component we've added will help you capture, organize, and act on your information more efficiently. Remember, this setup is flexible. Feel free to customize it further to suit your unique needs and preferences. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this helps you on your journey to becoming more organized and productive.